Stop throwing away your coconut shell. You can use it as a natural remedy for toothache. In this video, I will show you how to do it. In my previous video, I shared a hack on how to deshell coconut faster, so do well to check that video. Start by washing the coconut shell to remove any dirt and unwanted particles. If it's your first time coming across my YouTube channel, you are welcome. I am Zezi's Kitchen and I share amazing recipes, home remedies, hack to make cooking easy. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the amazing recipes I am going to share. Transfer the coconut shells into a pot, add water and salt. Proceed to cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes on medium heat or until the water is no longer clear. Keep washing and the next clip is going to show you what I mean. Once that is done, take it off the heat and let it cool slightly. Once the liquid is warm, transfer to a cup. Make sure you don't drink this. All you have to do is to switch the liquid around for at least 30 seconds before spitting it out. Do this continuously for about 3 days and you will see results. Have you tried this before? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.